Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix Discord notifications not working on Android. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing to do is to actually check if you have the latest version of um, Discord installed on your device, because that might be the issue you are experiencing. You are not yet updated to the latest one. So you just have to search for Discord here, and as you can see it has an update um, option here, so you just have to update that, and that should most of the time fix the issue. So let me just update that, and we just have to wait for a couple of minutes or seconds for this there. So as you can see, it's now done. You just have to go ahead and wait for this. Okay, so let's open that. Okay, so once that is done, you just have to go ahead and go over to you here on notifications here, and just go ahead and go over to notification settings in the upper right corner, and you have to make sure that this in-app notifications is enabled, and also the get notifications outside of Discord, make sure to tap that in. Okay, so you have to make sure that these are all enabled, except for the playing sound. If you want that, that's optional. And if you want to also have notification badges. Okay, so you just have to check whether you want to customize these settings. There, guys. So the second one is to go ahead. The second method is to go ahead and go over to your settings and manage apps. And you just have to search for Discord, and we just have to go ahead and clear the cache of Discord and clear data. So this will not affect your account, it will just log you out. You just have to log in again. So go over to storage here and clear data. So clear cache first. Okay, clear data and hit OK. So that should do it. And the next one is to go over to data usage and make sure that all of this one, make sure that your SIM and Wi-Fi and background data are all enabled so that they can use the internet fine all the time. Okay, so I'll go over to restrict data usage here and make sure also that all of this are enabled, your mobile data or your Wi-Fi. Okay, so in the third method, if that still does not work, you just have to go ahead and uninstall and install Discord, and that should most probably fix the issue. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.